Hi my loves, welcome to Vinny's Artisan Journey. Today I'm gonna share with you guys my own version of a very unique chicken recipe. Chrysanthemum Chicken. If you're looking for something to impress your guests, well, this is your dish. This chicken dish is simply alluring as it combines all the goodness of fragrance, flavor, and the texture in one. It is perfect to be served during every festive season. Well, please stay with me till the end to have an eye-opening enlightenment to this golden recipe. To make chrysanthemum chicken, all you need is 1 whole abundance chicken, 2.5 cup dried chrysanthemum, 2 tablespoons Dom Benedict tint, and 1.25 tablespoon of Himalayan salt. In case you're wondering what is abundance chicken, well, they have very interesting facts. These chickens are raised in natural environment and fed premium quality feed containing organic selenium, trace minerals, herbs such as moringa leaves, and FDA-approved probiotics. These chickens are free from hormones, antibiotics, heavy metals, and chemicals. When it comes to chicken, I'm actually very particular towards what kinds of chicken I'm feeding my family. Good quality chickens and how they are being raised, included the ingredients they are being fed, contributes a lot to their natural taste and texture. Let us begin the preparation. First, you need to rinse the chicken thoroughly. Dry it thoroughly with a kitchen towel. This step is essential to ensure that the chicken will absorb the marinade properly later. Prepare 2.5 cups dried chrysanthemum. Rinse thoroughly and drain well. Spread 1.25 tablespoons of Himalayan salt all over the chicken, including its cavity. Give it a good massage. Gently rub 2 tablespoons of Dom Benedict tint all over the chicken. For your information, it is a French herbal liquor drink made up of a secret elixir of 27 aromatic plants and spices. Benedictine adds both sweetness and an extra dimension to this dish. It is an amazing health tonic, relieves fatigue while strengthening physical power. I believe you have heard of yin and yang elements. This French liquor is believed to bring yang, which is the warming qualities. It is also very good to promote blood circulation all over the body. Hence, it is especially widely used in confinement. Make sure to rub evenly all the goodness into the chicken so that it is very well absorbed. Place the chicken onto a plate. Cover it properly with cling wrap. Keep it to marinate in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours, or even better, overnight. Wrap the chrysanthemum with cling wrap and keep it in the fridge as well. After 4 to 6 hours, take out the chicken from the fridge. Allow to sit at room temperature for at least 10 minutes. Stuff in quarter portion of the chrysanthemum into the cavity of the chicken. Chrysanthemum is believed to be very good in treating high blood pressure, chest pain, type 2 diabetes, fever, cold, headache, dizziness, and swelling. It is also used to prevent prostate cancer as well. Chrysanthemum tea is a natural coolant and helps in lowering the temperature of the body when suffering from fever or even heat stroke. Hence, in the yin and yang elements, chrysanthemum falls into the yin qualities. Chrysanthemum is yin and DOM benedictine is yang. This explains well why I use these two important ingredients as the combination to provide a good yin and yang elements to the whole dish. You see, yin is cooling, while DOM benedictine is providing us warming effect. So these two qualities together, they generate a very powerful balancing quality while enabling us to enjoy the yin and yang goodness. Now, after spreading the chrysanthemum all over the chicken, pour in the remaining DOM benedictine and salt marinade onto the chicken. Wrap the chicken with aluminium foil. Fold to secure all the sides to form a parcel. Place the parcel on a baking tray. Preheat the oven at 240 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Place the parcel into the oven. Bake at 240 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. After baking for 50 minutes, remove the chicken from the oven and it's ready to be served. Wow, smells so good. How I wish you were here to smell the chrysanthemum floral scent and the aromatic liquor smell. It is just nicely cooked. The most beautiful part of this chicken is the flesh is still intact, it is not too firm or too soft, and it has the perfect texture. It is so juicy, fleshy, and yet not oily at all. Yum, yum. It is so healthy and tasty at the same time. Thanks for watching Vinny's Artisan Journey. I hope you enjoyed the entire session of my video. Please support me by subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell button so that you get notified every time I post my new videos. Appreciate your like, kind comments and share too. Till then, goodbye.